Auto body patch panels are hand-fabricated using a mix of traditional hand tools and specialized metal forming equipment. Finishing tools. Body files rasps, for fine-tuning and smoothing out high spots or imperfections. Here are some of the key tools typically used. Sheet metal cutting tools. Tin snips, metal shears, for accurately cutting the sheet metal to size. Forming and shaping tools. Hammer and dolly set. A variety of body hammers and matching dollies help shape and smooth curves in the metal. Shrinker stretchers. These adjust the panel by shrinking or stretching the metal to fit the desired contour. English wheel, essential for rolling and forming smooth, continuous curves. Hand sealers, used to refine and smooth out the edges and seams of the metal. Sanding and grinding tools. These help in smoothing welds and preparing the surface for painting. Angle grinder with metal cutting discs, sometimes used for rough cuts or trimming. Welding equipment if needed. MIG-TIG welder or oxyacetylene torch, for joining the patch panel to the existing body structure securely. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in ensuring that the patch panel not only fits perfectly, but also restores the vehicle's original contours and appearance.